Hi guys, T here. Sorry there wasn't a D&D story this week like I promised on the D&D Stories Facebook. We have a blizzard going on right now, and occasionally I hear hail tapping on my windows, and there's, tree branches rubbing on stuff and a lot of wind and things like that. You can't see the road right now. So I thought I would make this quick short vid to apologize and kind of wander around my house and stuff, so you can kind of see, this is what you usually see in D&D stories, so maybe you'd like to see a little bit more. Oh, what's that? There's a door? This just isn't an endless void of studio squares? It might be. No, wait, there's some ceiling. But, there's the Terrible Bard set. For those of you that want to see kind of a scale of how these things go, it's pretty damn small. See, let me turn this around so I can, this place is tiny, like just my hand compared to everything else. Getting those really close in shots is a bitch. So, there's the bard. I do have a second episode scripted, but I need a lot of voice actors, and the people that I am going to go and ask, I have not asked yet. So I'm trying to finish a few things before I jump onto another big project like this. But it's pretty tiny, and the whole thing is held together by Smarty Cat scratch boards. So you can tell it's completely homemade. These tiles are actually outside, like patio tiles. I could buy like a sheet of them, and it was like, I think $13, and I made the whole thing. But I don't know, I guess we should go see the snow. This is just my office. Like when you're watching D&D stories, you usually have this view. So going around, the corner is just this tiny office. There's not a whole lot here. Let's go out and see my house. It's the bedroom, but you can look. I don't know if you can see it very well through the screen and through all the snow that's on the window, but you can't see the road. You can't see the sidewalk. There's nobody out there. It looks like it stopped for the moment, at least most of the way. It's kind of sleeting right now, but it was going so hard that you couldn't see across the street. It was pretty bad. There's Titan. Let's go say hi to Titan. Hello, Titan. Say hi. It's the internets. He's not impressed. My goodness. Snow and hail in streets. Hi, Bree.
Yeah.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh. I'm just wandering around with the camera. My mini boards. I just finished painting a pair of treasure chests a couple of days ago. That'll be used in the next episode of The Terrible Bard. Hi, Titan.
Titan. You got you.
Oh no. Oh no. Don't hug me. Don't love me. I love this clock. I got it for a wedding present. You can't even see hardly out this window. Gosh, I'm just glad it slowed down for a while there. It was pretty scary looking. It's not supposed to stop for a couple of days. So we are kind of bunkered in for the moment. Yeah. This is my basement. There's nothing here. Focus camera. There you go. This is my basement. There's nothing down here. It was full of boxes and junk, but I've managed to finally clean all of it out. So I don't know when I'm gonna maybe turn this into like a library or something someday. Hi, Titan. This is kind of Titan's territory. What you doing? Can I pet you? Oh no, don't love me. Don't love me, no. Ah, run away. Anyway, I was just checking in with you guys because I did promise a D&D Stories episode today, and I can't deliver with all that mess blowing and banging on my windows and stuff like that. It makes the sound terrible. I don't know if you can hear it now, but even my soundproofing foam doesn't do a very good job when there's just all across the windows all the time. So this storm should be gone by Monday morning. So hopefully I can put out an episode by Monday evening at best. So, oh well. See you then, and keep gaming.